people, after long I'm doing this recording, and it is like no, day before yesterday I saw this movie called Thar. Okay, now Thar is Thar the desert, right? But this was like a crime thriller set in the Thar desert, and it stars Anil Kapoor and his son Vardhan Kapoor, and a host of others. But like Satish Kaushik, and he has like a very pivotal role in the movie, and so it is. Yeah, the movie is. It took me one day to recover from it. I mean, it is. I've not seen a movie that has this degree of violence and torture as much as this film. Yeah, no, my channel, I need to give honest reviews, right? So it was very disturbing. They could have really, they could have really cut out all those. They couldn't have edited out, or rather not have it in the script, because the script itself was very weak. Yeah, I mean, like in terms of it's basically a revenge story. So it's all through the movie we are basically shown these three victims getting very badly like mutilated and tortured and all, and then towards the end we are told that these three people were in fact rapists who did something to who basically killed in a similar fashion the wife or the love interest of the protagonist, who is Harsha Vardhan Kapoor. Sorry, I gave away the plot. I normally don't do this, but it was trauma just going through that film. And I'll be honest, what I feel is the Anil Kapoor productions they are like very nice, fair-minded people and all. Yeah, so I'm surprised how they allowed this degree of violence and all to be shown. It was plain disturbing, but really, people, so this is a movie called Thar, and you can catch it on Netflix, and it is something that is best avoided, like the Thar desert in the summer season. So really, people, so on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.